Hello everybody, Jim Ballard here. This video is all about going inside of this vessel, following the contour and hollowing it out. First thing we're going to do is work on this entrance and drill a hole that we need for the depth. I've got the drill bit. It is set for depth. Let's do it. That should be enough for now. I'm going to set up a hollowing system and go from there. Well, here we are, the boring machine. Little anti-rotation, little capture bars, and working its way to this vertical post that houses a laser at the end, and here the business end, just some HSS 3/16 square, and the laser. With this system, my personal is I put the laser right on the cutting head. As long as this laser is vertical and I'm looking directly over it, I can tell you how thick the walls are. But that is my own personal preference. So let's get started. There it is. All hollowed out. I'm Jim Ballard. See you on the next one.